You're about to see is how millions of instant noodles are made every single day inside one of the world's largest factories. Everything starts with premium wheat. The wheat is ground between giant steel rollers until it becomes an incredibly fine white flour that races through transparent pipes like a flowing river. The fresh dough is pressed again and again through 8 massive rollers until it becomes a perfectly smooth sheet just a few millimeters thick. Rotating cutters slice the sheet into hundreds of strands, and a slow conveyor naturally forms the iconic wavy noodles everyone recognizes. The noodles enter a long steam tunnel where they're gently cooked. This is the biggest secret. Instant noodles aren't simply dried, they're deep fried in hot palm oil, creating their crispy texture and allowing them to cook in just minutes at home. Fresh out of the fryer, the golden noodle blocks slowly cool while keeping their perfectly shaped structure. Every single block is scanned by high-speed cameras. Even the smallest defect is automatically rejected before packaging. Meanwhile, another production line is making thousands of seasoning packets every hour, each filled with the exact same amount of flavor. Flat paper blanks are transformed into sturdy noodle cups in just a fraction of a second, ready for filling. Precision robots gently place each noodle block into its cup with incredible speed and accuracy. The seasoning sachet and flavor oil are automatically added, completing everything you'll need inside the cup. A hot aluminum foil lid is sealed onto every cup, protecting the noodles until they're opened by customers around the world. Which part of this factory amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Satisfactory for more incredible factory documentaries.